this door latch here is on my truck, just the latch and the thing like that. All the parts and labor, it's gonna run me about $7,000 to have it fixed. When all else fails, duct tape, gorilla tape. When all else fails, gorilla tape, duct tape. Yeah, they say when all else fails, you use duct tape. Yep, gorilla tape. I'd rather spend $15.87 for a roll of this than I had $7,000. And me personally, I'd rather have it welded shut. Just remember, duct tape. They say duct tape will fix it all. Duct tape.